Hey, what is up guys, Speer Gaming here, and welcome back to another product review. Today we're going to be taking a look at a pair of wireless headphones sent to us from PRTUKYT, that's PRTUKYT, and we're going to be looking at the wireless headphones 9S model. A huge shout out to them. They reached out to me and gave me this opportunity to test out this product for them. So we're going to be doing an unboxing, take a look at what's inside, go over all of the key features on this product, and give you guys my overall thoughts and opinions. So if you find this review helpful or you enjoy it, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below, and let's get into it. Now before we actually go in and take a look at what's inside the box, I want to give you guys my first impressions when looking this up, because I know you're going to have the same reaction. Currently, the 9S Bluetooth headphones from PRTUKYT can be found on Amazon, and currently the price is $15.99. Now for that price point, I know what you might be thinking, but hold your thoughts until the end of this review, because I promise you that what you're thinking is exactly what I was thinking, and I was wrong. How could something be such a good quality product at such a low price? There has to be a catch, and we'll get into that when we go over some of the other features and my overall thoughts. So initially, I was pretty skeptical by the price, as I'm sure you guys might be. I'll have linked down below a link to their site on Amazon if you want to pick these up and check them out for yourself. They do have 3 different colors. You could get them in black, silver, or rose gold. The 9S Bluetooth headphones have CVC 6.0 noise cancellation headphones with a mic. It boasts 60 hours of playtime, hi-fi stereo sound. The headphones are foldable with volume control, and it also even has FM, meaning you can actually hook it up to the radio even if you don't have any Bluetooth devices with you. These headphones also do have 6 EQ mode: pop, classic, rock, jazz, deep bass, and clear voice. Now inside the box, once you open it, you will find the 9S wireless headphones user manual. This is what you can refer to if you have any questions about the headphones. In it, it has all the features and specs, basic instructions, how to turn the headset on, how to pair the device, any safety information that you might need. So definitely hold on to this, as it might be handy. Next, you have the actual headphones themselves, which you can see are folded in a nice, neat package. Then inside there's 2 cords. One of them is going to be a charging cable, which is just your basic USB-A cable, and the other is going to be a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can actually plug into a device wired and not use the wireless. Now, if we actually take a look at the headphones themselves, you can see they're over-the-ear headphones, and the earpieces do fold down, making them nice and compact for storage. You can extend the ears, like most headphones, to adjust, and they do extend a decent amount. The earphones are made with a flexible memory foam material, so it makes it comfortable to sit on your ears for long durations. Now on the left side, the left ear, is where you'll find all of the buttons to control. Underneath the outside of the ear is going to be the power button, along with the charging port to charge the headphones. There's also a slot for a TF card if you want to plug that in. Now overall, I like the color. I chose to go with the black version. The earpieces do feel comfortable, and actually wearing these for multiple hours does feel comfortable as well. The headband piece is made of plastic, so it kind of worries me a little for extended duration on how durable these might be over time. But the headbands do seem not bendable, so as long as you take care of these headphones, they should be fine. Now hooking these headphones up to Bluetooth is very easy. All you need to do is go to your settings on your device and click pair and turn the headphones on, and that's it. Now I will say that these headphones do connect to most Bluetooth devices as well, and even if you're not able to connect to them via Bluetooth, you can always use the 3.5mm headphone jack to connect to basically any device with audio output. But for most uses, for phones, tablets, devices like that, these headphones should work. I tested this out watching YouTube videos, live streams, but I think where these headphones really shined was listening to music. The audio quality is very good, and especially with these 6 EQ modes you can choose from, you can make each individual audio experience that much better compared to some other headphones you might find for this price. When it comes to the downsides of what I noticed for these headphones, and this might just be me being picky, but I'm sure there's other customers that might feel the same way. The button layout is a bit confusing, all buttons being on the left earphone. You basically have to remember where the buttons are, because a lot of times I'll end up pressing the wrong button and I'll either turn off the Bluetooth and go to the radio, or I'll accidentally pause or play it when I'm trying to skip a song. So maybe if there was a way to simplify the button layout and maybe have some of the buttons on the right ear, but that might just be personal preference. Also, the way that the button is, there's not a clear defining way to tell which button you press because they're all on this circular button panel. So if, for example, over time the paint starts to fade on which button presses what, it's going to be difficult to know for sure that you're pressing the right button. Sure, over time you'll build muscle memory and you'll know, but it might just become an inconvenience in the long run. Overall, for this price, these headphones are definitely worth it. I've listened to tons and tons of headphones and earbuds in the past for around this price point, and these headphones have excellent audio quality. Like I said before, I was completely blown away how wrong I was about my initial skepticism on the price of this product. But what I find really cool is how well the audio quality is, and also the fact that you can connect to the radio without any Bluetooth devices. So as long as your headset is charged, even if you don't have your phone, you can still listen to music through the radio, which I find very cool. But that is going to be my review on the wireless 9S headphones. Again, shout out to PRTUKYT for allowing me to test this product. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you end up picking these up, be sure to let me know your thoughts on them as well. If you have any questions about this product, be sure to ask them. I'll try to help you out as best as I can, and if I don't have the answer, I can always refer you to their customer support where they can help you out. But that's going to be it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to check out any of my other product reviews, be sure to click the link on screen now. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.